In a previous conversation on uh, Telegram, when you had the Telegrams hangs out on a book, so during the course of that discussion, some people asked how they can get started in crypto without actually investing uh, capital, especially if they don't even have capital in crypto. So, and this is what I said. I told them that someone shared an idea with me on WhatsApp, and I will reach out to the guy to ask for more clarification. So I did just that. So when I reached out to him, he gave me the necessary information, and despite that, I still went online to do my due diligence. So I read a couple of reviews online. I visited the website, and I downloaded the mobile app, as you can see on my phone now, to see what works and what does not work. Okay, so it's about 24 hours now since I got the mobile app, and actually I wanted to test the platform for a week before I make this video. While I saw quite a number of members, our friends sending me sending me messages on WhatsApp like, okay, what about the promise I made to them? And this is exactly how the app works. So I joined the app in less than 24 hours, and I've gotten 500 tokens. So and it's quite easy. It is quite easy, and this 500 token is what is, I think it's about 400 naira at the moment. I will check now. So when you look at this, I'm going to click here, then check my wallets. Oh, sorry, that's about 379 naira. Okay, and I've not really made any serious engagement on the app, So I've only done 7 favorites. I only have 2 spaces and 1 badge. So, and I've earned that much in 24 and in less than 24 hours. So now I'm going to be leaving you with a download link. Okay, so that's obviously my invite link. So use the invite link. Okay, and download the app on your mobile phone, install it, register, and get started. So all you have to do every day is just to come to places like this. Okay, those spaces you're following, go there, like a lot of posts. Okay, if you like, comment. You can just ask this guy like, what is the spec of this PC? Okay, so what's the spec of this PC? So you've really engaged that post. So the more engagements that you make, the more love, the more star you give to others, so the more UHIVE token that you get every day. So, and I also encourage you guys to also create your own content. Okay, don't just sit down and start liking and engaging other people's content. Create the content that people can actually like. Okay, so when you do this, you create engagement, you engage other people's posts, other people also engage your own post, then your reward is calculated after 24 hours. That's what I understand from from someone that referred me to this app. So it's calculated after 24 hours. So, and also I saw a girl also in WhatsApp group that earned about $2,700 in the space of 24 hours, using this platform. So if this girl can do it, then I believe strongly that you guys can also do it. So this may actually go a long way in supplementing your income. I believe in supplementing your income, every day, every month. It could pay for your data, and it could pay for some other things also. So this is the first that I've tested. Okay, so I'm going to be asking him for more clarification about other means, okay, very soon. But I want you guys to take a massive advantage of this first and see what you can do with it. So I'm waiting for your testimonial. I'm waiting for your feedback about what you think about the app. Does it make sense to you? Or if it doesn't make sense to you, let me know also. Maybe in the comment box, or you can send me a DM on WhatsApp, on Telegram, because my what's it called? My the URL to these apps will be also under this description. So under this video, so you can reach out to me on WhatsApp, you can reach out to me also on Telegram or on Twitter, and tell me what you think about these mobile app. So it is quite easy to use. So you will be downloading as if you're downloading WhatsApp, as if you are downloading Telegram. So it is very easy to install. Just install, and get started with it. So it's quite easy. So as you can see, my username is Content King on the app. So you can follow me also on this app, and let's become friends on the app. So I'm waiting for your feedback, and it means a lot, so that when you have your feedback and it makes sense to you, then you can reach out to more people and tell them about the wonders of UHIV platform. Okay, So I'm gonna be seeing you guys in a new video where I'm gonna be doing a review of the two powerful trading softwares, the Royal Q software, trading software, and also the bit gap. So I've been doing a lot of comparison between them, I know, and let's see who's gonna be the winner. So I'm gonna be making a video also about that. So see you guys in the next video, and bye for now.